Choosing a gift for someone.
Birthdays are easy, but gifts are complicated. I want something meaningful.
Not too expensive, not too boring. Perfect balance.
Exactly. Mia loves books, plants, candles, chocolate, paintings, everything.
That's the problem. Too many options.
This photo frame is cute.
True, but only if we print a picture with her.
Yes. What about jewelry?
She likes minimal designs, not too shiny.
Wait, look at this. Personalized diary with her name carved.
Oh, wow, that's classy. She can write poems in it.
Should we pair it with chocolate?
And a pen set, too. Something gold-plated, maybe?
Nice. We'll wrap it in a pastel box with ribbon.
Add a handwritten note. That touches the heart.
Perfect. This gift has personality, warmth, and chocolate.
The winning combination.
Running out of cooking gas.
The gas is gone again. I knew it was low.
Try checking the cylinder valve. Maybe it's loose.
No, I checked. There's no pressure. I'll call the distributor.
Gas Service Center. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Emma Parker. My gas cylinder is empty. I need a refill delivered today.
Sure, ma'am. Could you share your customer ID?
Yes, it's GS 298-421.
Thank you. Standard delivery time is by evening.
Oh, that's quite late. We need it for lunch and dinner. Is there any chance of early delivery?
I'll check availability. Please hold. We can arrange delivery within 3 hours with an express fee.
That works. Please send it.
Done. Driver will call before reaching.
Thank you so much. You saved my day.
Good job. Meanwhile, sandwiches?
Exactly. Instant breakfast to the rescue.
Oversleeping and missing breakfast.
Oh no, it's 9:15. I completely overslept.
I called you at 7:30 and again at 8. You didn't respond.
My alarm didn't ring. Did I turn it off last night?
Probably while half asleep. You should keep your phone away from your pillow.
You're right. Is breakfast ready? I don't have much time.
I only made toast and eggs. I thought you'd wake up early.
Toast is fine. I just need something quick.
Slow down. You'll choke.
I know, but I have a meeting at 10.
Next time, sleep early and set 2 alarms.
Good idea. Lesson learned for real this time.
Drink some juice. You'll feel better.
Thanks, Mom. You save me every morning.
Asking for roadside help. Flat tire.
Hello, good morning. My name is Mark. I need help. My front tire is flat.
Good morning, Mark. I can assist you. Please tell me your location.
I'm on Riverway Highway, near the Green Shell petrol station. There's a big blue signboard.
Got it. Are you parked safely on the side?
Yes, I've switched on the hazard lights and I'm off the main road.
Perfect. Do you have a spare tire?
I do, but I'm not confident enough to change it.
No worries. Our mechanic can help you. He will reach in about 25 to 30 minutes.
That would be great. I'm getting late for work, so please send someone soon.
I'll mark it urgent. Can you share your contact number?
Sure. 98765412000. Please ask him to call when he arrives.
Certainly. Just stay near your car and remain visible.
I will. Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime, sir. Please wait. Help is on the way.
Borrowing notes from classmate.
Peter, could I borrow your notes from yesterday?
Sure, but handle them carefully. I wrote like a monk for 2 hours.
I will. I'll photocopy and return fast.
Yesterday's class was full of examples. I marked the tricky ones.
Thank you. Everyone said the professor talked too fast.
He did, I barely kept up.
That means your notes are gold.
Yes, rare treasure of college life.
I swear on coffee I'll return them safely.
If you damage one page,
I'll buy you 2 notebooks and a pen.
good. Now go study before he gives us a test.
Don't scare me. I'm already behind.
You'll catch up. Just don't underestimate Professor Thomas.
Thanks. With your notes, I might just survive this semester.
Booking tickets for movie.
Hey Sarah, the new movie is out today. Should we check tickets now?
Yes, please. Last time we waited 5 minutes and everything was gone.
Okay, Friday 7 p.m. show. Oh wow, only the front row is left.
Front row means neck pain. I'm not watching superheroes upside down.
Fair point. Let's try Saturday.
No, I want to watch today. Check 8 p.m. or 10 p.m.
8 p.m. Available, but only 4 seats.
Quick, grab 2 middle seats before someone else does.
Selecting. Payment loading.
No, not now. Why is your phone slower than a turtle?
Maybe the app crashed. I'll switch to Wi-Fi. Ooh, it's moving.
Don't blink. Don't breathe. Let it load.
Relax. It's done. Booked. Row D, seats 7 and 8.
Yes, popcorn celebration.
Popcorn? After this stress, I need nachos too.
Fine, but I'm not sharing my popcorn this time.
Then we'll buy 2 buckets. Problem solved.
Stranger asking for time, location.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 4:52 p.m.
Thank you. One more thing. Could you tell me how to get to West Street Library?
It's close. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the bakery.
Is it easy to find? I'm new here.
Very easy. You'll see a big white building with glass windows.
Perfect. How long will it take to walk?
Around 6 to 7 minutes. If you want faster, you can take the bus from the corner stand.
Walking is fine. Thank you for explaining clearly.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Calling someone back after missed call.
Hey Alex. Sorry, I saw your missed calls late.
No worries. I wanted to ask if you're free Sunday.
Maybe. Why? Secret plan?
Trekking trip, sunrise, waterfall, mountain riding.
Sounds like heaven, but at what time?
We leave at 5:30 a.m.
That's not heaven. That's torture.
Beauty comes with effort.
Okay, fine. Who else is coming?
Me, you, Sam, and Zoe.
Good group. Should I bring snacks?
Yes, and don't oversleep. Last time you woke up at noon.
I'll set 3 alarms, maybe 4.
I'll call to wake you up. If you don't answer, I'll ring the doorbell.
Aggressive but necessary. I'm in.
Great. Sunday adventure confirmed.
Misplacing glasses.
Where are my glasses? They were here on the table.
Check the couch or under the newspaper.
Not there.
Check the fridge. You once put keys there.
Don't remind me. I can't see without glasses. And glasses are what I need to see. Irony.
Calm down. Did you wear them while talking to me earlier?
Maybe. Wait, they're on my head.
Genius of the year.
At least I found them myself.
With emotional support from your loving sister.
Fine. Next time I'll hang them where I can see.
You can't see without them. Think again.
Stop winning every argument.
Kids fighting over toys. Handling situation.
Give it back, Ben. It's my robot.
I was playing first. You snatched it from me.
Hey, calm down. No yelling. What happened?
He took the robot without asking.
But I wanted to try it.
Okay, let's fix this. Olivia, you'll play for 10 minutes, then Ben gets 10 minutes. Fair?
I want more time.
Then next round you get 12 minutes. Okay?
That's fair.
Good. Also remember, you must ask before taking someone's toy.
Sorry, Olivia.
It's okay. You can play after me.
Great teamwork. Now both of you, shake hands. Peace at last. Now time for coffee.